Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online class. In previous lecture, we read about the sound. So, dear students, you know that we are using our ears for hearing sound. Sounds are all around us. All the time, some sounds are pleasant, like music, and some sounds are pleasant and some are unpleasant. So, the pleasant sounds are like music, chirping of birds, flowing of water in the river, but some sounds are unpleasant, like a sound of traffic. Sound is a and the other example is a drum. So, sound is a form of energy, and sounds are made by the vibration. The quick back and forth movement is known as a vibration. To understand vibration, you can do an activity that put your fingers to your throat and say something loudly when you will feel vibration. We produce sound through the vibration of voice box in our throat. Similarly, when a metallic spoon is fall, sound is produced. The impact of the fall causes the spoon to vibrate. We can also observe the vibration of speaker. When a song is played, so it creates the vibration, and this vibration is produce the sounds. When you are listening a music through your music system, so the question is how does sound travel from speaker to ears? Sounds need a material to travel, and that material is air. Sound travel in form of waves or a disturbance of air particles. Sounds travel in all direction. जैसे कि आप इस पिक्चर में भी देख रही हैं दैट वेव्स आर स्प्रेडिंग इन ऑल डायरेक्शन. इसी तरह से साउंड भी है जो है वो वेव्स की फॉर्म में ट्रैवल करती है. दैट्स वाई साउंड जो है वो हमारे चारों तरफ ट्रैवल करती है और हमें बहुत इजीली सुनाई देती है. ठीक है, तो आप जब रूम में भी बात करेंगी तो आपकी साउंड जो है वो बाहर तक पहुंच सकेगी बिकॉज साउंड ट्रेवल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेव्स. ओके, साउंड इट ट्रेवल थ्रू 3 state of matter, that is the solid, liquid and gas. So we will learn that how sounds are useful. Now we will learn that how sound are useful for us. We use sound to communicate or talk to each other, talking on the phone, sharing ideas with your class fellow. Some sounds such as music make us happy. Some sound warn us to danger. For example, fire alarm. When the fire alarm rings, we know that there may be a fire. The second example is a horn of a car. The horn will give a sign to the man that the car is approaching. So there are many types of sounds, like a loud sound and soft sound, high and low sound, pleasant and unpleasant sound. So first come to the soft sound. So some sounds are soft, other sounds are loud. A soft sound can be hard to hear. Something that is soft is very gentle and has no force. For example, a soft sound or voice is quiet and not harsh. Similarly, a soft light or color is pleasant to look at because it is no bright. So soft sound has a low volume. There are many examples of soft sound. So you can see in this picture that there are many examples of soft sound. So the next one is loud sound. If a noise is loud, the level of sound is very high and it can be easily heard. जितनी भी loud voice sound होती है, we can also easily to hear. Someone or something that is loud produces a lot of noise. An instrument can make, जैसे कि हो गया the sound of car. Okay, so it is too much loud and it create the noise. एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट इसी तरह से हमारे पास डिफरेंस है. द डिफरेंस इज in this picture, what is the difference of soft and loud sound? The whispering is the soft sound and the shouting is the loud sound. In next picture, the playing of piano is a soft sound and the wind blowing, the hard wind blowing is the loud sound. Okay, so an instrument can make a loud or a soft sound. Its loudness changes with how you play it. A drum makes a loud sound if you hit it harder, and if you hit it gentle, then it will make a soft sound. It was all about the previous topic. So now come to the next topic, that is the light. So you know that what is light? People and other animals can see because there is light. We need light to see things. Light is a form of energy. And what is energy? So we need light to see things. We have light, so it is bright. अगर light नहीं होगी, so हर जगह पर darkness होगी. So what is light? Light is a form of energy. And what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. It's mean that if you have energy, then you can do any work. Okay, so light is also a form of energy. The next one is source of light. There are many sources of light. Sources of light are all around us. You can also see that हमारे इर्द गिर्द हर जगह पर sources of light are present. So the main source of light is sun. The sun is very important and natural source of light energy. We get heat and light from sun. Without the energy of sun, there would be no plants and animals on earth's surface. So without sun, हम जो सबसे बड़ी हमारे पास sun source of light है, that is the sun, because we get heat and light from the sun. And अगर sun नहीं होगा, so without sun, the plants and animals on earth, there would be no plants and animals on earth's surface. So the next one is luminous objects. Things that give off light are called the luminous objects. वो चीज़ें जो जिनकी अपनी लाइट होती है, they are called the luminous objects. So there are many examples of luminous objects, जिसमें हमारे पास एक तो है sun and other sun, star, bulb, torch, candle. इसी तरह से हमारे पास कुछ insects भी हैं, that are firefly and earthworm. So firefly and earthworm are the luminous objects because they give out their own light. So we can say that these insects are the luminous objects. So there are some luminous objects are natural and some are man-made, which also we can also say that they are the artificial light. Okay, so artificial light sources are man-made. इनको हम man-made भी कह सकते हैं, but these are the natural light, that sun, star and firefly. They produce their own light. So sun is the natural source of light. All our others are man-made or indirect source of light. Like sun, star and firefly are natural source, and bulb, torch, candle, matchbox, all these are the man-made man-made light. Okay, so next is non-luminous objects. Things that do not give out light are called the non-luminous objects. Luminous objects, non-luminous objects, when light fall on them, so we can see them. The examples are moon and other planets. जिस तरह के moon की, like a moon do not have its own light like this. Similarly, all the planets, other planets, they do not have a own light, but moon reflect the light of sun. So did you know that light always travel in the straight line called rays? हमेशा जो है लाइट स्ट्रेट लाइन में ट्रेवल करती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड रेस. लाइट इज द फास्टेस्ट थिंग इन द यूनिवर्स. सो यू कैन आल्सो इसको एक्सपीरियंस कर सकती हैं लाइक थ्रू द थंडर स्टॉर्म. Okay, the thunder and lightning occur at the same time, but we first see a flash of lightning and then a few seconds later we hear the thunder. आपने थंडर स्टॉर्म तो देखा ही होगा जिसमें लाइट और साउंड एक ही टाइम पर अकर होती हैं, बट वी सी फर्स्ट लाइट, लेकिन हमें पहले लाइट दिखाई देती है, उसके बाद हमें साउंड सुनाई देती है. सो इट्स मीन दैट लाइट इज़ द फास्टेस्ट थिंग इन द यूनिवर्स एंड इट ट्रेवल much faster than the sound. And it takes 8 minutes for the sunlight to travel 146 million to reach the earth. हमारे सन और अर्थ के बीच में 146 मिलियन का फासला है, डिस्टेंस है. ठीक है, तो इस डिस्टेंस को इतने डिस्टेंस में सन की लाइट जो है वो अर्थ तक पहुंचने में 8 मिनट्स लेती है. क्लियर? Okay, there are some objects which allow light to pass through them. They are called the transparent materials like glass, window pane and clear water. So वो object जो कि जिसमें से complete light pass हो, they are called the transparent materials. And the translucent materials allow some light to pass through them. Okay, these are the examples of transparent material जिसमें आप देख सकती हैं there is the glasses हैं, window pane है. So all these are the transparent materials. Now come to the translucent objects, and translucent materials allow some light to pass through them like tissue paper, frosted glass, जो टिश्यू पेपर होता है. ठीक है, पेपर है हमारी बुक का जो पेपर, इसमें से कुछ लाइट पास होती है, ये कंप्लीट, इसमें से कंप्लीट लाइट पास नहीं होती, नहीं गुजर सकती. So the next one is opaque materials do not allow any light to pass through them, like in this picture you can see the examples of opaque materials like wood, metals, wall, all these are the opaque objects. Okay, and when an opaque objects block the light of sun because they do not allow any light, that's why they are called the opaque material. When an opaque object block the rays of light, it forms shadow. सो इट फॉर्म शेडो. जब कोई एक ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट लाइट के सामने रख दें तो ये लाइट को ब्लॉक कर देता है और इसके पीछे इसका शेडो बनता है. अ शेडो इज़ अ डार्क एरिया बिहाइंड एन ऑब्जेक्ट. सो व्हाट इज़ शेडो? शेडो इज़ अ डार्क एरिया. यू कैन आल्सो सी दिस पिक्चर कि सन के सामने डॉग आ गया है. ठीक है, कोई भी लिविंग थिंग और नॉन लिविंग थिंग ऑब्जेक्ट अगर सन के सामने आ जाए, if it is a opaque object, then it make a shadow. A shadow is a dark area behind an object. When any object block the light, it creates shadow. So opaque object build clear and dark shadow. This is how shadow is made. You can have many number of shadows depending on a number of light sources. Shadows keep changing throughout the day. अब शेडो जो है वो डिफरेंट टाइप्स के होते हैं, ठीक है. अब ये शेडोज चेंज होते रहते हैं सारा दिन. हाउ? एट नून व्हेन द सन इज डायरेक्टली ओवरहेड, शेडो इज टाइनी. ठीक है. सो यू कैन आल्सो सी इन दिस पिक्चर कि नून के टाइम जब सन हमारे बिल्कुल सर पे आ जाता है, देन द शेडो इज tiny. The position of sun is changes throughout the day, which change the angle the sun rays or fall on the ground. This is why you can see different size and shape of shadows. So you can also see in this picture, in the morning the shadow will be long. Okay, so at noon it was small, and late afternoon it's long again. So this is all about your new topic, that was the light. So I hope you understand this topic. So now note down your homework. At the end of the lecture, note down your homework. Do question number 2 on book page number 83 and 84. Now till to next lecture, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.